Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History, Chapter 3 From Gathering to Growing Food. And in this video, we will learn the section A Closer Look A. Living and Dying in Mehergarh. Question 1. Mehergarh is a site located in a dash. The options are mountain range, fertile plain, river basin, fertile plateau. Your time to choose. And the answer is fertile plain. So, Mehergarh is a site located in a fertile plain. Question 2. Mehergarh is located near the dash. The options are Bolan Pass, Nathula Pass, Karakoram Pass, Ganga River. Your time to choose. And the answer is Bolan Pass. So, Mehergarh is located near the Bolan Pass. Question 3. Bolan Pass is one of the most important routes into Dash. The options are Bhutan, Afghanistan, Iran, Nepal. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is Iran. So, Bolan Pass is one of the most important routes into Iran. Question 4. In its area, Mehergarh was probably the first place where women and men learned to dash. The options are grow barley and wheat, grow barley and wheat and rear sheep, grow barley and wheat and rear sheep and goats. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is grow barley and wheat and rear sheep and goats. So, in its area, Mehergarh was probably the first place where women and men learned to grow barley and wheat and rear sheep and goats. Question 5. Mehergarh is one of the dash villages that we know about. The options are first, earliest, oldest, Neolithic. Your time to choose. And the answer is earliest. So, Mehergarh is one of the earliest villages that we know about. Next question 6. Archaeologists who excavated Mehergarh found evidence of many kinds of dash. The options are plants, stone, animal bones, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is animal bones. So, archaeologists who excavated Mehergarh found evidence of many kinds of animal bones. The next question 7. Archaeologists who excavated Mehergarh found evidence of many kinds of animal bones from dash. The options are the Mesolithic period, the middle levels, the Neolithic period, the earliest levels. Your time to choose. And the answer is the earliest levels. So, archaeologists who excavated Mehergarh found evidence of many kinds of animal bones from the earliest levels. Question 8. In the earliest levels, dash animal bones are found. The options are wild, tamed, domesticated, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is wild. So, in the earliest levels, wild animal bones are found. Question 9. In the earliest levels, wild animal bones, such as of dash, are found. The options are deer, pig, deer and pig, deer, pig and tiger. Your time to choose. And the answer is deer and pig. So, in the earliest levels, wild animal bones, such as of deer and pig, are found. Next question. In the later levels, animal bones are found. The options are small, domesticated, large, wild. Your time to choose. The answer is domesticated. So, in the later levels, domesticated animal bones are found. Next question 11. In the later levels, animal bones such as of dash are found. The options are sheep, sheep and goat, sheep, goat and cattle, sheep, goat, cattle and horse. Your time to choose. The answer is sheep, goat and cattle. So, in the later levels, animal bones such as of sheep, goat and cattle are found. Question 12. In the still later levels, dash bones are most common. The options are sheep, cattle, sheep and cattle, sheep, cattle and goat. Your time to choose. And the answer is cattle. In the still later levels, cattle bones are most common. Question 13. In the still later levels, cattle bones being most common suggests that this animal was dash by people. The options are considered a status symbol, most used, slaughtered most, generally kept. Your time to choose. And the answer is generally kept. So, in the still later levels, cattle bones being most common suggests that this animal was generally kept by people. Question 14. Other finds at Mehrgarh include remains of dash. The options are square houses, rectangular houses, square or rectangular houses, square, rectangular or triangular houses. Your time to choose. And the answer is square or rectangular houses. So, other finds at Mehrgarh include remains of square or rectangular houses. Question 15. Each house had dash or more compartments. The options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Your time to choose. And the answer is 4. So, each house had 4 or more compartments. Next question 16. Each house had 4 or more compartments, some of which may have been used for dash. The options are bathing, storage, washing clothes, fighting. Your time to choose. And the answer is storage. So, each house had 4 or more compartments, some of which may have been used for storage. Question 17. When people dash, their relatives and friends generally pay respect to them. The options are die, are appointed as leaders, are victorious, age. Your time to choose. So, the answer is die. When people die, their relatives and friends generally pay respect to them. Question 18. People look after the deceased, perhaps in the belief that there is dash. The options are God looking upon them, an examination after death, no life after death, some form of life after death. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is some form of life after death. So, people look after the deceased, perhaps in the belief that there is some form of life after death. Question 19. Dash is one such arrangement for the deceased. The options are burial, mummification, zombification, reincarnation. Your time to choose. And the answer is burial. So, burial is one such arrangement for the deceased. Question 20. Dash burial sites have been found at Mehrgarh. The options are 2, few, several, 4. Your time to choose. And the answer is several. So, several burial sites have been found at Mehrgarh. Next question, 21. In one instance, the dead person was buried with dash. The options are goats, cattle, sheep, dogs. Your time to choose. And the answer is goats. So, in one instance, the dead person was buried with goats. Last question, 22. The dead person was buried with goats, probably to serve as dash in the next world. The options are wealth, an animal to ride, a friend, food. Your time to choose. And the correct answer is food. So, the dead person was buried with goats, probably to serve as food in the next world. Okay, so in this video, we learnt the section A Closer Look, Living and Dying in Mehrgarh. In the next video, we will learn the section Earlier and Later Levels. I'll see you there.